Hello and welcome back to Chris Hill Motorcycles in Doncaster. This is the 1981 Yamaha RD350LC, which I'm sure to any of you guys out there doesn't need much of an introduction. Probably one of the most iconic bikes from the 80s. Very well sought after. Love these bikes. This bike has had a recent full ground up restoration. It is a matching numbered bike, and as you can see, it's been done to a very high standard. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. Starts and runs sweet as. Great colour scheme. The white with the blue, very iconic, very Yamaha. Just really well presented bike overall, this. So we can possibly look at doing some finance on this vehicle for you. We can do delivery both national and international if required on a bike of this stature. The clocks are currently showing about 250 miles. Obviously it has done more miles over its life, but I think that's 250 miles since the restoration was done. What I'll do, I'll just fire it up for you. Let me come round this side, turn the key. I'll try and do this one-handed if possible. Let me just get the kick out. So yeah, is there a nicer noise? More to the point, look at the smoke in the building. We'll bottle some of that later. Love it, love it. So yeah, if you've got any questions on this particular vehicle, you can give me a shout on 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrishillmotorcycles@googlemail.com. You are welcome to pop down and grab a brew and look around all our classics if you've got any interest in any of them at all. Yeah, so that's the 1981 Yamaha RD350LC. Like I say, needs no introduction, that bike. And if you'd like to keep up to date with these vehicles arriving on YouTube, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe, folks. And above all else, have a good day. Cheers.